Today I'm going to show you how to change wiper blades on a 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan. The trick is, you can't just lift it up. You have to go in the car first. So you have to start the car. You have to turn off the car. Do not open the door. All I did was push down. You can see the wipers are now up and accessible. Now that they're up, I can easily do this and I'm not hitting anything. You have to push in on this tab and basically they slide up and off. Most wiper blades in the US come standard with a J-hook that it's not going to be this, so they have an adapter that you can clip on. When you want to reinstall them, you just have to slide them on in the reverse, like this, and they snap in place. And you do the same thing for the passenger side. I'm going to push the button in, I'm going to pull up on it, and basically it just pops right off. Get the new one, and you're going to slide it back in until it clicks. What you're going to do is just put these down, and when you go to drive, just hit the wiper blade and they'll move back. So for the rear, it's very similar. You're just going to pull up on it. There's still that same little tab. Just going to push in on the tab, and it slides out. To reinstall it, slide it back in, make sure it doesn't get loose, and just put it down and you're done. I'll put links in the description below to the various sizes for the front, left, right, and rear. So if you want, you can check out the links or just get the sizes and go to an auto parts store. Otherwise, you help me out if you use the link a little bit. But do what's best for you. All right, so now the next thing, I just want to put them back down. So to put the wipers down, start the engine, come over here. So you just use them like regular wipers, and effectively they go back down. All right, well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.